A new drawing. This time I'm sharing a time-lapse of a bedroom perspective drawing. Hello, welcome to Artist Mode On. Before starting the perspective, I made a floor plan to have a guide of the placement of the furniture. I made this in the app Procreate with the help of the drawing guides and the assisted mode to draw perfectly straight lines. To draw everything in a believable proportion, I consider each unit of the grid as 1 meter. The next step was to find the right view. After watching the floor plan for many seconds, I decided on this viewpoint where the most interesting part of the bedroom is located. After this, I quickly edited the drawing guide in a perspective mode, and again, I used the help of the assisted mode to draw straight lines in the right direction towards the vanishing points. In most of my drawings, in a different layer, I trace a lot of diagonal lines to find the middle points to put new elements in place, and in the proportionate distance. To choose the color palette, the integrated color wheel and its functions are a great tool to find complementary colors very quickly. With that, I selected my main 3 colors to fill all the areas and then finishing the drawing. Thanks for watching.